Hi, this is Kit Welchlin, and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on negotiation and conflict resolution. The question is, what should be my approach? Kit, I try to be very prepared for negotiations. I carefully craft the language concerning how I'm going to introduce my ideas and desires. But sometimes, conflict situations come out of nowhere. Do I stop and say, wait, please give me some time to prepare? What should be my approach? I think the approach should be to be flexible. People can see things differently, each looking through their unique frame of reference based on experience and education. And sometimes just the way we see the problem can be the problem. The more aware we are of our attitudes and assumptions and the influence of our past experiences, maybe the more flexible we can be with our approach. We can be patient and truly listen to others, be open to their perceptions and point of view, thereby seeing a bigger picture and having a more objective demeanor. The good news is that we can take this approach. We can respond rather than react. We can have the freedom to choose how we interact. Through accurate self-awareness, we can be fully engaged and open and honest in our communication. We can take the initiative and lead the discussion, or we can accept the role of active listening and minimize misunderstandings and miscommunication. If we adequately prepare, we can be calm and recognize the ebb and flow of conflict resolution and negotiation. We won't blame others for circumstances or conditions, and we can instead focus on both the relationship and the other party and the goal we seek. If we are well prepared and are willing to listen, we can make decisions based on values rather than based on emotions. So what may matter most is how we respond to what we experience during the conflict and critical conversations, not just what we introduce or suggest. I see. So I can be prepared to respond rather than react. Prepared to be calm rather than frustrated. Prepared to listen rather than talk. Prepared to be flexible rather than scripted. Hey, that can be my approach. Thank you for watching this video blog on negotiation and conflict resolution. And the question was, what should be my approach? When we are in conflict situations and are trying to negotiate a reasonable outcome, we need to recognize that there are some things over which we have no real control and other things in which we can do something about. Work on the things you can do something about, like being prepared, patient, and thoughtful. If your organization is struggling with communication issues, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will provide a presentation that will help.